pretty clear, hanging off the Ruger. And I got a clip full of shooters. And I'm in your dream, Freddy Krueger. Fucking with my niggas that they do, yeah. Cruising in the car with my shooter. Car with my pretty clear, hanging off the Ruger. Right on my room, and I'm in your dreams, Freddy Krueger.
What's going on? It's your boy, Tactical Trail. And I'm back with another video, man. And I know it's been a minute, dog. I think my last upload was like 7 months. Oh my God. But I'm back and I'm better, man. As y'all can tell by the title, man, we got some new heat for the channel today. If you're looking for the best AR15 build in 2025, you need to stay tuned to this video. Before we get started, man, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. Don't forget to go over to my Instagram, Tactical Trail. Hit that follow button over there, man. Without further ado, let's jump into this video, dog. Alright, man, like I was saying, I know I've been gone for a little minute, man, but that don't mean I ain't been copping no heat, bro. If y'all follow me on Instagram, then y'all seen a little snippet of what I posted. It was a box with a whole bunch of gun parts in it. Yeah, this build. Ugh. Dang, she just so beautiful, man. I can't wait to show y'all this. But anyways, man, I was my buddy, he built a nice rifle that I really like, and I never built a gun before. You know, I put up like my 300 blackout, I put an upper and a lower together, but I haven't really built like a strip upper and lower. So this was my first time doing it. You know, it was a learning experience for me. Yeah, man, let's go ahead and jump right in the build. And here she is, man. God almighty, she's a beauty. So yeah, man, this is my 13.9.556 build, and I call the sweetness, man, because that color right there, just look at that color, man. Just sweet, like when you put that sweetener in your coffee, man.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, this is my 556 build. Where should we start? Let's start from the back, work our way on up. If y'all can tell by the lower don't look as fresh as the rest of the gun, if y'all can tell. Because this is my lower off of my 7-inch 556 that I had. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'm putting the clip right here. So yeah, that's the lower that I got this off of, and this short 556 really didn't serve a purpose in my collection. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just get rid of it. So I kept the lower, took everything out of it, gave the parts to my upper away and my lower away. Just kept the strip lower to my 556, the short one that I had. But anyways, man, so we have a Rock River lower, as y'all can tell. Got the Rock River lower that came on my other 556. And lower parts kit, I went CMG. You know, have the extended mag release on both sides. We have the 60-degree safety selector, ambidextrous, of course. We have the extended bolt catch right there. Let me drop the bolt. Extended bolt catch right there. So that was my lower parts kit that I put in here. I believe it was the CMG 0 lower parts kit. I have all the link in the description below after I'm finished. So I really don't even know how much I spent on this gun altogether. Matter of fact, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tally up everything that I spent on this gun. I don't know off the top of my head, so I just had to put it in when I edit the video. And I show screenshots for proof. But yeah, CMG lower parts kit. That's what I went in there. Then for my upper receiver, I went with Wilson Combat strip upper receiver. I think the only thing that came in here was a forward assist that was already in there when I got it, but everything else inside was totally stripped. I went with a SBA. Which one is this? The SBA 4, I believe. SBA 4 pistol brace. You know, it stands out. And for my buffer tube, I believe my buffer tube came with the upper receiver. Yes, the buffer tube and the lower came together. Yeah, because I had the buffer. Can't talk.
Go crazy. Go stupid.
Yeah, the buffer tube was already attached to my lower when I took it out the other gun, so I just kept it up there and just staked it down. So Wilson Combat for my upper receiver, SBA 4 for my brace. No, it's the SBA 3. Might be the 3 or the 4. I can't remember which one it was. And I got a mag pull sling right here. with the quick detach QD mount. I wonder why Magpul sling so high, bro. This sling was like 70 bucks. But yeah, SBA3. And if we come to the charger handle, as y'all can see, I went Gasly on the charger handle. And the reason I went Gasly is because on my other build, I went Radian. Yeah, I went Radian on my last build, so I wanted to try something different. So I went Gasly, ambidextrous charging handle. You know, you pull it on either end, and be charging handle. And as y'all can tell, for my boat carrier group, we went BCM boat carrier group, because I mean, you can't go wrong with BCM. You're gonna get your bang for your buck. You know, BCM is I'm not gonna say it's the best charging handle, but for the price, it's gonna run. So I didn't try to go too Gucci with this build, because I mean, I wasn't really trying to put too much money into it, which I already did put a lot of money into it. But yeah, BCM charger handle. And for the inside, can't show this part on YouTube. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got the gun broken down, but YouTube be tripping about stuff like that, so I didn't show it. But for my boat carrier group, I went with this kind of boat. You know, it's different from your original, well, traditional boat carrier group where you just got your buffer and your spring. But this is, I went with the Armor Spec. Let's see, this thing dirty, cause I have put some rounds through it. It's the Armor Spec SRS, which I think stands for Stealth Recoil Spring. So yeah, it's a little different. I mean, I can kind of tell the difference with traditional buffer system and this one. It ain't too much of a difference, but I would just wanted to try it out because I have tried the JP Enterprise buffer. I felt the difference in the JP Enterprise, but like I said, it still won't that much difference. So the Armor Spec really, it's not that different from the JP Enterprise or the traditional buffer. The whole purpose of it is to keep the spring from rattling so much inside the buffer tube, but I don't really tell the difference. Now recoil, it does make a difference in recoil. Recoil, it really makes a difference in recoil from what I can tell, but had to go get one and try it out yourself. But yeah, buffer system, I went with the Armor Spec SRS. All right, so now I think this is my favorite part of the whole gun, man, which is the trigger, man. This trigger is amazing in this rifle, bro. Well, I know y'all probably can't see it, but as you can tell, it's a G. You might can't see it, but there's a G on the side of that trigger, which stands for Gasly, man. So I went with the Gasly 3-gun, what is it, dynamic 3-gun trigger? I believe that's what it's called. And man, this thing is crazy, bro. Just check out this brake on here. Let's see, put this thing on fire. Just look at this brake on this thing. I'm gonna hold my finger like this so y'all can tell how light it is. God, I barely even put pressure on it. Watch this reset. Barely even move, man. Barely even move. And with the Gasly trigger, the 3-gun, it come with 2 different springs in there. I believe one is a 3.5 pound spring for the trigger, and the other is a 2.5. And I have the 2.5 in right now just because I just love that crisp. Just love that crisp break and reset, man. Just look at it again. Dang. Watch this. Reset. Barely even take up, man. Barely even any take up, bro. But yeah, that's the best part about this gun, is the trigger in here. If y'all tried the Gasly trigger out, comment down below what y'all think about it, or what y'all think is the best triggers out there for AR-15s in general. Well, moving on to the next, man. As y'all can see, I have a Holosun up there. Look at that big old window. That's a nice window, man. I was gonna go EOTech on this build because I do like the EOTech, but once I put my eyes on this Holosun for the price, I was like, yeah, I got to go with it. I believe this Holosun was like $309, $309, which is the Holosun 510C. Man, this thing is so good. It comes with 3 reticles. You can do the donut, just the dot, and just the circle. Yeah, the donut with the crosshairs in it, just the dot and just the circle. So I like it for the price of it. It definitely comes with a lot. Then it is QD. It is quick detach, so you can just slap it on. You don't have to torque it down and all that. And it does have a solar panel on it, so you don't have to worry about your batteries when it's dead. You can switch from solar mode and solo mode and battery mode. Yeah, man, this window is just huge on this gun, and it's just so clear. The glass is very clear on this Holliston. People have a lot to say about Holliston, bro, but Holliston is, I have never had one fail on me, and for the price range, I mean, you just can't beat it, man. But the only thing that I have to get for this optic is a riser, man. If y'all know any good risers for the Holliston 510C, comment down below what are they, man. Cause I want a riser because right now I still have to kind of like put my cheek down. I want to just be able to pick up and the dots right there. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Holliston 510C for the optic. Moving on up. And so for my my handguard, I went with the Expo Arms. And I got this off I think I got it from Primary Arms, I believe. Yeah, Expo Arms. As y'all can see, it's a 12.5. It's a 12.5 handguard because I went 13.9 barrel length, so I decided to go 12.5, which leave me like an inch and some change from the end of my muzzle. So yeah, I went with Expo Arms because of how light it is. This handguard barely weighs anything. When I seen the weight of it, I was like, I got to get it. And then I think it only came in at like, I have to check and see what the price was for this. It's been so long since I built it. I kind of forgot the price of everything. Yeah, Expo Arms for the handguard. And y'all can't see my barrel, but because I got all this extra stuff on here. But my barrel, I went with Roscoe barrel. I went to Roscoe, I believe it was the Green Line. Roscoe Green Line 13.9 barrel 5.56. I wanted the 223 Wild, but I really didn't like the color of the 223 Wild barrels that they had. It was kind of like chrome. And I know I wanted to go all black. So the Roscoe barrel did come with the gas tube, and don't be a dummy like me, put my gun together. When I first built this gun, I put the gas tube in upside down. So when I went to go shoot it, I won't get no gas at all. So I had to just go back in and turn it upside down. I mean, turn it right side up so that the gun can function properly. So if you're thinking about building the gun, don't be like me and make sure you pay attention. But yeah, Roscoe barrel and gas tube. The barrel came with the gas tube, and I think this barrel was priced at like, it was in the range of like $200 some, I believe. I think it was like $200. Like, I think I got it for like $177 during the Black Friday sale. So yeah, barrel, Roscoe 13.9 Green Line. And of course we have the Streamlight ProTac 1000 lumen flashlight. 1000 lumen flashlight with the pressure pad, as I have on all my other rifles. You know, Streamlight, just the best bang for its buck. You know, it functions, it look good, it lasts a long time. I haven't had one fail on me. Let's see, and this forward grip, I forgot. Well, I think it might have been Wilson Combat. No, it wasn't Wilson Combat. I seen it on Primary Arms, so there's the name right there. I forgot where I got this forward grip from, but I can't remember how much it cost. Just a regular forward grip, nothing too special about it. It's supposed to be for cable management. As y'all can see, those notches on the side of it. Those notches on the side, it's supposed to be so you can put your flashlight cables through there, but the cable wasn't long enough to reach it, so I just didn't even bother to mess with it. And I have some grip tape on the side, which I think I came from Magpul or BCM. No, not BCM. The grip tape on the side, I believe it came from Magpul. I think that's what it was. I believe that's what it was. Yeah, I just got 2 strips on each side. Just have a little extra grip when I'm gripping the gun. You know, a little extra texture right there. And for my muzzle device, this is the YHM muzzle brake. And I went with YHM because I do plan on putting the can on this 5.56, but I haven't ordered a can yet. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to go with YHM or something else. So hush puppy coming soon for this thing, man. And I do have this BCM pistol grip. I forgot this. I did change the pistol grip out to a BCM, and I do have like this extended trigger guard right here. Shout out to Tams. And I think that's about it on this rifle, man. Am I forgetting anything? I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And shout out to Tams for the Cerakote, man. If you ever in the northeastern North Carolina area, man, make sure you go check out Tams Gun Shop, man. This Cerakote is beautiful on this thing. He did exactly what I asked for on this gun. You know, I was looking for something, because I'm trying to do like a loadout thing with all my rifles and pistols. So I got a pistol that I recently got not long ago. Video coming soon. And this loadout is gonna match that. So I'm trying to like double up all my rifles and pistols so I can have a matching loadout. But yeah, shout out to Tams for that Cerakote. I believe it's I think he mixed Coyote Brown with burnt bronze. I believe that was the color he said he mixed. But yeah, went on here, Cerakoted all the furniture, handguard, pistol grip, buffer tube, and he added in this extended trigger guard right here for me, just so you have a little extra space in there. I just can't get over this trigger, man. I gotta do it one more time. Golly, it's just amazing. God, but yeah, man, this is sweetness. This is what I call them, sweetness. Beautiful rifle, man. If y'all want more content on this rifle, make sure you smack that thumbs up button. Yeah, man, if y'all want any more content on this rifle, man, make sure you smack that thumbs up button, man. And comment down below, what is your favorite part about this rifle? What's your favorite thing about this rifle? Like I said, I'll put the price of everything in the description down below and maybe on the screen when I edit this video. But Hush Puppy coming soon. This is sweetness, man. Beautiful rifle, beautiful rifle. This is probably my favorite gun in my collection right now. This is my real battle rifle. I feel like I can really go to war with this thing. Anyways, man, thank y'all for tuning in to the video, bro. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go over to my Instagram because I had to make a new Instagram. So the name is still Tactical Trail, as y'all can tell right down there at the bottom. The name is still Tactical Trail. But just go follow up, and we're about to get up out of here, man. God, I haven't said this in so long. But without further ado, yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell a friend, and tell a friend you dig what I'm saying. Always remember, bro, keep that shit tactical.